Alright, chef, alright.
Me a kill you no, and I feed you no. I who them, say I fool them.
I dopey them.
Dopey them, they want to go school them.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking enough.
Boom. Welcome back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, of course. Today we have a very special day because today is back day. One of my favorite days of all time. Especially legs. You know, back day and leg day is like my two favorite things to do. You see me? So today we're gonna do some back workout and we're gonna try best to see if Brazil can bring home a win for it today. Because enough people are waiting for Brazil losing, but enough people side don't lose already. Germany don't lose. You see me? My big brother Chase don't dash some money over there, so but yeah.
What's
Brazil
your prediction for today's game?
What?
What's your prediction for today's game?
Brazil will win, man. About 6 we a drop, man.
And you sure about that?
Me say if Brazil lose, man, I give you all of my Thanksgiving dinner.
You're serious?
Me gonna have the camera rolling when match are playing.
Me say if Brazil, brother, me say if Brazil lose, change my name. There's no way Brazil can lose. Number one team in the world.
You say full of chatter, you not to give up.
I mean.
Alright.
I talk with my chest high. I'm to some man. Alright, yo. We have drugs. Not really. So YouTube thinks that me I promote drugs over here. But anyway, we have some EHP labs. What's that name? Lion Pride. And as we start off back workout, we always start off with some type of pull movement. Or actually, yeah, some type of pull movement. Either pull-ups or lat pull down. So if you jump in our workout, give them a nice vibe. And you kinda like it. Yeah. Thanksgiving turkey. Warm up right now. Remember, you have to get a nice pump before you take off the pump cover, or else you're not gonna look sexy. But workout split, it's pretty simple. Mondays is chest and triceps. Tuesdays back bicep. Wednesdays legs and shoulder. Thursdays it's chest and tricep again. Then Friday back and bicep. Saturday is legs and shoulders. And Sundays we normally rest, or you know what I mean. If we feel like we never complete the workout as best as how we want to complete it, like let's say we're coming up on a Monday and we don't think we do enough for chest day, whichever we kind of use Sunday to pick it up, or we just rest. So Sunday is mainly a rest day, but for now that's how the workout split is. Very simple, and try to change it up every 3 weeks. We try to change it up, but we still stick with majority of the same exercises. We just increase reps, weight. So that's pretty much it. It's easy, it's simple. Just study. That's the main thing. Practice your craft, and you find out say, yo, it's easy as long as I put in the time. Right? Alright, yo, we're gonna use this isolateral row. We have literally 4 different ways you can use. You have your over grip, your side grip, and the low over grip you can use under grip as well. And you have, of course, your narrow grip. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, yeah, you get the whole point. So that's what we're going to do right now. First we're gonna use wide, then we're gonna go in. So we're gonna do a double set. So it's gonna be 10 and 10. Very slow, so let's boogie before it gets hot in here. Take off all my clothes. I go up to 3 plates. So let's see, I'm a bitch. I use them at this time in the past. I need to buy some bigger hoodie. Wifey hoodie still. But some bigger pullover. Because I want help to come out of the man. It's a mess with me fro. Yes, there you go.
Okay, thank you. Oh, we share.
Repeat that song, yeah. Other favorite is incline dumbbell rows. I think this give your back a nice blood flow, especially if you target that bigger part of your back, and also put some lat work in it as well. Yeah. When I get big, I can't dance again.
But you have to give people them something.
Yeah, man, until I get the cute side, you know.
You look good for any side.
That's how every man bars go when they see them gym crush. See me?
Why?
The bars clap and they see gym crush, you know, like they say, welcome, 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 welcome. Yo, yeah, you hear them. You hate him, they hear that about man bars are clap. Let's hold it, man. I don't know why mentality needs to stop. See, I may stop the why mentality. You with your shots too short. Why? I watch Portugal right now. Portugal and Ghana. Portugal gone 3. Ghana gone to a goal, you know. Ja. Your Portugal have a game 3-1. You make your man him come score back, you know. Anybody I know me know says either Brazil or Portugal me bring for World Cup every year. No other side. You see me? And if the two of them drop out, I might or probably will stop watch World Cup. But you know. And a Christy last World Cup too, you see me say, you know, we have to watch your boss. Watch your pre-dog, your dog begs, you know, because I'm going to equalize it. As the dog come off and score. Simple thing, that's no goal, Come in. Hold him down for 1 minute. Warm to them. Some boy come talk about Messi. Messi who, man? See Christy around here. Christy scored 2, you know, so Messi alone scored on him first World Cup game. You know? And Christy is the first player ever, see me? Male player ever to score in every World Cup. I think on him first game in every World Cup. It's only one, watch your boss, one general. Oh shit, like that. You see me? So we'll go back home and go watch a big game on a big screen. You see me? Brazil!
Yes! Say something now! Say something now!
My guzzle don't work. Jeremy, let's say my guzzle don't work.
Say something! Wait!
The game not done yet, still no time.
Wait!
to the people
But
then.
me want to say, me know them not gonna score. One two no. Me know we not gonna win. 1-2 no. Richarlison, me not rate him a good goal. I more of answer. We no go walk this side we lose. Against Japan. Bumbuckler football. Number football. Rick and Marty pan them. 1-2 no.
Murder!
We no side man. We no side. We no side. And what do you start watch football, yeah?
Alright, Chef,
Me a
alright.
kill you no and I feed you no. Bumbuckler do.
Where you say, who them?
Who them? Say I fool them.
I dopey them.
Dopey them, they want to go school them. Bumbuckler do. No side man. One team, Brazil. All the other team, them a punk team. Doodoo. Shit up. I'm say, like, comment and subscribe. You know, cause I say all of the energy I use today, I want to use the same energy and press subscribe. You see me? Here we are. Hope you enjoy the workout, hope you enjoy the video. Me a cook some, watch out. Kill them side and me a feed them. Fish, and the regular fishes, you know. What kind of fishes again? What kind of fish? Snapper, yellowtail snapper. See me? And me have me I give them fried chicken. Me I give them Barbie fried chicken. Me I give them macaroni. Me I give them rice. Yo, until me now give them a vegetable because them no good. I'm too no.